Alright, YouTubers, here we have a little better this diehl. You already know this motor's the motor I've had. Made a switch cat 4 and everything like that. Had wood blades originally. I recently bought a set of aluminum blades for it, these chrome blade arms, so yeah, it's kind of cool. So we're gonna see what it does. I'm gonna go straight to high. Takes a little bit to get to speed. Still going. There we go. So as you can tell, these heavier aluminum blades do not phase this motor at all. Actually, these blades are better than the wood ones because the wood ones are very out of balance. So, probably gonna keep these blades on this fan. Not sure what I'm gonna do. I might see about cleaning the tag and the campy, making them kind of, see if I can have chromed or whatever I can do. Make it some black and chrome antique would be kind of cool. Like I said, these are not light aluminum blades. They're fairly thick, fairly heavy. But it runs very good. And yeah, it's a good run. Those blades are drawing 2.1 amps. So not bad. I think this thing was drawing 1.9 or something like that, or 2 amps with the wind blade, so it's not much of a difference. But it definitely does take it longer to get the speed of these blades than the other ones. Let's go ahead and do spin down. Well, that's spinning down. I'm going to turn that on, so I get at least a little bit of a breeze. There isn't currently another diehl motor on eBay. They're asking $60 by it now with 60 shipping. So it's 120. Reading the description, it sounds like it has an issue with starting. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go for it, especially with that price. So the only advantage to the other motor is I believe it actually is reversible. For all I know, it could be that reverse switch is what's causing the issue also. I guess I'm debating it, but it's not really worth it in the budget right now. So, I do have another antique on the way, actually. I just recently bought off eBay. Should be here probably next week sometime. I'll make another video of it. Pretty good spin down this thing, so. What you're hearing above us is the H36. I turn it on when I'm doing videos over here. That way it's just a little bit of a breeze, so when I'm recording it doesn't get hot in the garage. And there you go. Just to give you an idea on the thickness of these blades. Pretty good thickness. They definitely have some good weight to them. So, and here's just another look at this diehl tag. Seen better days. And it's a makeshift campy I made and whatever, just parts and pieces. Eventually I'll find the right campy for this thing. So yeah, this is a quick little update for the diehl. Thanks for watching, guys.